changes that we'd have to make in this part in order to run it on the Morisiki, a Fanuc-controlled machine. Anybody want to stab one of them? The D value over here would become a D of 500.
I thought the Morisiki really didn't recognize can cycles that well.
The SL200 in front absolutely does.
Little one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not what I'd call little
little
beefiest machine we got out there. But
little
yeah.
than the other one.
Yeah. But yes, it does handle that same G71. Guys, keep in mind too, we're talking about a single line can cycle roughing operation. How many of you have figured out that there's more than one can cycle for rough turning? There's a 2-line can cycle. Have anybody run across it yet? You can do a 2-line can cycle. Yeah, I know you have, Brandon. There's going to be machines out there, guys. A G75 is a grooving cycle. A G72 is a rough facing operation where you can just tell it how much to take off with each pass. There's lots of can cycles out there, guys. We're just happen to be picking on the G71 today. And this G71 can even vary from one machine to the next. If you put that D of 0.05 in the Morisiki, it's going to tell you what's the error, illegal use of decimal point. Illegal use of decimal point. But you've got to use the point everywhere else, but the D, you have to lose the decimal point. As written, let me verify, let me double check. As written, guys, I could take this program now. I'd lose this guy right here and move to an X tool change location. That's about it. I could probably go straight out there with that little change. I could go out there and I could run this same program on Morisiki. I'm going to have to change quite a bit of structure and format before I can run this program on the Okuma. Some of you have run and set up, operated on the Okuma. A little different bird.
So,
when we get into CAM, what I'm going to have you guys do is post with a Haas post processor, with a Fanuc SL200 post processor, and then the Okuma post processor. Print all 3 of them out, put them side by side, and say, my program made 3 different programs, and look at the difference between them. We'll do more of that when we get into CAM, comparing the different types of machine languages, formats. Now, does everybody see what we've done here? Walking through, explaining every step of the way. This little program, we've been on it for 2 hours, close to 2 hours. There's no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to program one of these parts at least 2 a day. 2 a day right now. Some of you could program 6 of them a day. I want to see some repetition. I want to see you guys going through here, working through these exercises. Like,